Anderson Labs are a series of workshops in the University of Minnesota's College of Science and Engineering. We help students with a variety of different projects, and we exist here to help them design and prototype things for classwork, research, personal projects, or student group projects. You don't need to know anything to come in here. We've got you covered. It's the staff are here to help out, and it's just supposed to be a welcoming, open environment where people can learn sort of practical engineering skills and put their skills to the test.
I like to use Anderson to develop some of my personal projects and learn more valuable skills that could be applied to a marketplace and help me find a job, or just build compelling products that can make people's lives better. It is a quadruped robotic dog platform that I designed. Obviously, most of the printed parts on this project were made on Anderson #1. It's been super helpful to have this space to walk the robot around and test some of the kinematics.
We needed to create a hinge that covered the front part of both of the winglets. And to make the hinge, the best and easiest way to do it was to 3D print them. That's why we used the 3D printers here to print the 2 orange hinge covers you see on both sides of the winglets. I've been a student staff at the Anderson Labs for over a year now. So I usually help out students who come here for whatever projects they have. It can be personal projects, class projects.
We have a whole fleet of 3D printers, we have laser cutters, we have metal shop equipment, wood shop equipment, CNC machines, electronics prototyping. So we really run the gamut across the whole range of the prototyping spectrum. We have staff here to help students learn to use equipment, basically. We're kind of a shop space, but also a little bit of, we do some design help. I think the biggest thing is just to get started, and places like the Anderson Labs are a really good place to meet other people working on interesting stuff, to get inspired, to work on a project that maybe you've had on the back burner for a long time, get really accessible, and I think getting your foot in the door and getting started is the easiest and best way to start learning these skills and getting that sort of hands-on experience as an engineer.